Kia ora, I'm Sarah Anderson, Programme Director at Climate Connect Aotearoa. Adapting to climate change isn't a one-off activity. By its nature, climate change will lead to ongoing disruption, which is not all predictable. And what works for one business at a particular point in time won't work for all. Learning from your experience and the experiences of others, and reflecting on what's working, is an essential part of adaptation. It helps keep focused on what's most effective. Reviews should be regular and ideally embedded within current processes. It's far easier to keep on top of monitoring and reviewing progress if it's part of your business as usual. This could be as simple as a short update at management or board meetings, or an annual or quarterly review built into your reporting processes. Another key trigger for reviewing your plan is after an event occurs, when learning is fresh and top of mind. When doing your review, it's worth including staff in the discussion, so you're capturing insights from across your business. Did you achieve what you said you would? If not, why not, and what needs to change? Have your risks or your risk appetite changed? Are any emerging as a higher priority than you initially thought? We know from experience that we often rate things as low or manageable until an event occurs. When we're actually impacted by an event, our risk appetite can change substantially. This is something we saw in the Auckland floods. What people had previously looked at as acceptable risk was now unacceptable, with a dramatic shift in our willingness to accept risk and a clear mandate to make significant changes across the region. You can also learn from others, connect with other businesses both within and outside your sector to share experiences and insights. The guidance provides you with some further areas to explore when thinking about how to monitor and improve your adaptation plans. We know that businesses learn best from each other, and so we will keep adding case studies as we go. Let us know if you would like to share your learning and be part of the platform, supporting others in their adaptation planning. Get in touch with your thoughts on the guidance, what you need, and how we can help you in preparing for climate change. Thank you for watching. Ka kite.